Dozens of Russian oil service companies, including Gazpromneft, Surgutneftegaz, as well as the company Oil Industry of Serbia, 56% of which is owned by Gazpromneft and Gazprom, Ingostrach, Alfa Strachovanie, and a number of Russia's largest coal companies are now under U.S. sanctions. Washington has also imposed new restrictions on Russia's so-called shadow fleet. This concerns 183 tankers, which fly in the flags of various countries, transport Russian oil and petroleum products bypassing sanctions.
These sanctions certainly target both Russian oil and LNG, and we expect our actions to cost Russia upwards to billions of dollars per month. And these also, let's not forget that these are also, these sanctions really continue for us to make good on the commitment that we made, that the president made, and his G7 counterparts made to target Russia's ability to use its energy sector to fund and sustain this war.
A total of more than 400 individuals and companies in Russia's energy sector have been sanctioned. Among those on the sanctions list are traders, intermediaries, and ports. Also included are 9 companies from the UAE and Hong Kong. U.S. President Joe Biden is confident that these measures will have a significant impact on the Kremlin.
The sanctions are imposed today because they will have profound effect on the growth of the Russian economy and make it more difficult for Putin to conduct his wars. It is probable that gas prices could increase as much as 3-4 cents a gallon, but it's going to have a more profound impact on Russia's ability to continue to act in the way it's acting in the conduct of war.
Following the US, the UK has also imposed sanctions on Gazpromneft and Surgutneftegaz. According to UK government, these companies were extracting over 1 million barrels of oil per day, generating annual revenues of $23 billion for the aggressor state.
Oil revenues are the lifeblood of Putin's war economy. We will not stand by and let oil profits endanger the lives of Ukrainians, nor will we let Russia keep filling its coffers as it continues to threaten our collective security. Taking on Russian oil companies will drain Russia's war chest, and every ruble we take from Putin's hands helps save Ukrainian lives. David Lemmy, UK Foreign Minister, from a government publication.
The president of Ukraine welcomed the new sanctions against Russia's energy sector. He emphasized that reducing Russia's oil revenue brings us closer to restoring peace, as stated by Volodymyr Zelensky.
It is particularly important that pressure is being put on companies such as Surgutneftegaz, a major financial asset for Putin himself. Such actions send a clear message: criminals must pay for their crimes. The less revenue Russia receives from oil and other energy resources, the sooner peace will be restored. Energy resources should not be used as a weapon, like Russia is doing. Volodymyr Zelensky, president of Ukraine, in a Telegram post.
According to Reuters, oil revenues forecast serious disruptions in supplies in the near future. India has already begun seeking alternative crude oil resources from the Middle East and the US, reported by Alexander Zaslavets, Nikita Skoblikov, UATV News.